Hello everyone, today I have LX570 2010 model. I remove the starter. In this video I will show you how to test starter and how to repair within a minute. This is the starter. You can see the starter is not working. When I put direct positive, the starter is running. Problem in the solenoid switch. How to repair? This solenoid is the problem. I have one starter. I remove this solenoid to fix this starter. This is a starter for RX. This starter for Lexus LX570. This solenoid switch has two nut 10 millimeter. This is the solenoid switch I replaced. Now I test the starter. Thank you for watching. Only problem in the solenoid.